Starline Windows specializes in full cutout method for window replacements. In this video, we'll demonstrate how a full cutout method is done and explain why it's better than the commonly used insert or piggyback method. This home was built in the 1940s. The original windows are long gone, replaced at some point using the piggyback method. So the old original frames were left intact when the windows were replaced. Today, these replacement windows have started to fail, allowing moisture and cool air in. Crew members with Starline Windows start by pulling down each shutter. The team then carefully disassembles the window by taking down the trim until they expose the original window opening. In old homes, it's common to find the old window mechanisms, such as old window weights from the 1940s. These weights were used as balance to hold the windows open, like a pulley system. Starline Windows takes a lot of time and care to disassemble the old window frame until the original cavity is exposed. Once the window is completely removed, the opening is checked for signs of deterioration. In this case, we found newspaper as insulation, which was commonly used during the 1940s. The homeowners will notice a difference in the temperature of their home just by removing the old insulation. Before moving on to the next phase of the window installation, our crews clean and prepare the window opening. While one crew member prepares the window, another cuts lumber that will be used to secure the new window. These pieces of lumber are used to fill in the gaps left from the old window cavity. The lumber is measured and cut for each window and placed in the opening to create a new window frame. The next step is to apply building paper over the new lumber to weatherproof the opening. This is followed by applying a blue skin to ensure water doesn't seep through any cracks. Now the outside is level with the interior, and our crews do final checks to ensure everything is sealed and secure. The frame is now ready for the new window. In this case, the homeowner has chosen the Starline Windows Series 7100 casement window. This window is carefully installed from the outside and inserted snugly into the new frame. Crews test the window to ensure it opens and closes properly before finalizing the window installation process. Before the trim board goes up, we add head flashing for further weatherproofing, and in this case, use caulking on the siding to ensure no moisture enters the home. One final strip of blue skin is added to the sides for extra protection, and then our team adds each new piece of trim. Each window is carefully cleaned after it's installed, and our crews take pride in cleaning up, so it looks like we were never there. Here's what the home looks like today with its new windows. These windows will last a long time, giving the homeowner the energy efficiency and the look they were hoping for. The full cutout method is labor-intensive, but homeowners can breathe a sigh of relief knowing that they have a home that is sealed from the elements because our teams have cut back to the original opening to ensure it's secure.